Want a slimmer, more defined face without surgery or expensive treatments? There's one simple habit that's gaining global attention, and it's called mewing. Mewing involves placing your tongue in a specific position to reshape your jawline naturally. No tools, no pain, just consistent, daily practice that transforms your entire facial structure. People have reported sharper cheekbones, better posture, and more confidence through mewing. The best part? It takes only seconds a day, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. In this video, we'll show you how this one mewing habit can slim your face over time. We'll break down what it is, how to do it, and why it actually works. If you're ready to redefine your face the natural way, this is your moment. Let's dive into the science and technique behind face slimming with mewing. 1. What is mewing and where did it come from? Mewing is a tongue posture technique developed by British orthodontist Dr. John Mew. It involves pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth, not the teeth, but the palate. The idea is that proper tongue posture supports ideal facial development and symmetry. While originally designed for children, adults also see real changes with consistency. Mewing encourages natural alignment of the jaw, nose, and cheekbone areas. It's not a quick fix, but a daily habit that reshapes your face over time. What began as a niche orthodontic technique has now gone viral on social media platforms. People around the world are documenting jawline transformations thanks to mewing. Its popularity keeps growing because it's simple, free, and requires no equipment. At its core, mewing teaches your face to grow and settle the way it was meant to. 2. How tongue posture shapes your face. Your tongue plays a huge role in shaping your face, more than most people realize. When it rests low in your mouth, it allows your jaw to sag and widen undesirably. But when your tongue is pressed to the roof of your mouth, it lifts everything upward. This upward pressure supports the maxilla, or mid-face bone, enhancing your cheekbone structure. It also naturally improves your jawline definition and tightens the area under your chin. Over time, proper tongue posture can slim the face and sharpen your overall appearance. It even helps with nasal breathing, which further supports better facial development. Your face is malleable, just like your muscles, and responds to daily pressure. This is why a consistent mewing habit can lead to visible transformation. It all starts with understanding the power of where your tongue rests. 3. The one daily mewing habit you need. The foundation of all mewing success is one simple daily habit: tongue posture awareness. All you need to do is keep your entire tongue, not just the tip, on your upper palate. It should feel as though you're lightly suctioning your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Your teeth should be lightly touching, and your lips gently closed, no clenching. Start by checking in with your tongue position several times a day until it becomes automatic. Eventually, your muscles will adapt, and your posture will improve naturally over time. The key is consistency. Doing this consciously every day is what leads to long-term results. Even while working, watching videos, or walking, stay aware of where your tongue is. This one habit, done daily, is the core driver behind face slimming mewing benefits. You don't need complex routines, just master this position and stick with it. 4. Real benefits. People are seeing mewing results vary from person to person, but many users report noticeable changes. Sharper jawlines, lifted cheekbones, and reduced double chins are common among consistent users. Some even say their noses appear straighter due to structural support from tongue posture. Mewing also improves breathing, especially through the nose, reducing mouth breathing habits. Better posture, fewer tension headaches, and less jaw pain are other positive side effects. Users often feel more confident and youthful as their facial proportions improve. A slimmer, more structured look emerges with time, especially in the lower face. Combined with healthy diet and hydration, results appear faster and more clearly. Photos taken before and after months of mewing show subtle but striking changes. Mewing is not magic, but it's a real, natural upgrade to how your face holds itself. 5. Common mistakes that block results. Many people give up on mewing because they're doing it incorrectly without realizing it. A common mistake is only pressing the tip of the tongue instead of the full tongue. Others clench their teeth too hard or strain their jaw, causing tension and fatigue. Mouth breathing also ruins progress, as it keeps the tongue in a low, sagging position. Poor posture can make correct mewing harder by compressing the airway and throat. Checking tongue posture once or twice a day isn't enough. Consistency is the key. Another mistake is expecting overnight results. Mewing works slowly and subtly over time. Not drinking enough water can also affect how your tissues respond to pressure. Correcting these mistakes will boost your results and keep your face moving in the right direction. Always focus on proper form, steady effort, and realistic expectations. 6. How long until you see results? Mewing is a long-term habit, not an instant fix. Results typically take months to appear. Most users start noticing subtle changes after 3 to 6 months of daily practice. In younger people, results can show faster due to softer facial bones and more flexibility. Adults can still benefit, but the process is slower and more focused on muscle reshaping. Photos are the best way to track progress. Take one every month from similar angles. Changes may include reduced puffiness, a more defined jawline, and better facial symmetry. Results vary depending on genetics, consistency, and overall health habits. The more consistent you are with posture and breathing, the sooner you'll see changes. Patience is crucial. Think of it like facial fitness rather than a one-time fix. Over time, your facial features will begin to settle into a stronger, slimmer shape. 7. Best times and places to mew. Mewing can be practiced anytime, but certain times are perfect for building consistency. Morning routines are ideal. Start your day with correct posture and set the tone. Work hours are great too, especially if you're sitting at a desk and can focus on form. Before bed is also powerful, helping you fall asleep with the right tongue position. Sleep mewing is real. Training yourself to keep posture during sleep accelerates results. Use reminders on your phone to check in with your tongue throughout the day. Mirror time, while brushing your teeth, is another perfect moment to practice and adjust. Public settings like commuting or walking are great because no one knows you're doing it. Make it a game. See how long you can hold the posture without breaking it. The more you weave it into your daily life, the more automatic it becomes. 8. Mewing and total facial fitness. Think of mewing as one part of a full facial fitness routine. It works even better when combined with exercises for your jaw, neck, and facial muscles. Chewing harder foods or using jawline resistance tools can enhance your definition further. Neck stretches, chin tucks, and posture exercises all support the slimming process. Good sleep, clean eating, and hydration play a big role in how your face responds. Avoiding alcohol, excess salt, and sugar helps reduce puffiness and water retention. Mewing can also pair well with facial massage to improve lymphatic flow and contouring. Your face, like your body, needs regular training and care to look its best. Think of it as a daily sculpting practice for better structure and glow. Mewing is the foundation, but combine it with healthy habits for full effect. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness and self-improvement techniques. Got questions about mewing or want to share your journey? Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching Face Slimming with this one daily mewing habit. Stay consistent, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next one.